Good morning. Breakfast is my 93% ground beef, 6 ounces, and I added some onions and fajita peppers because that's left over from the party. Today I have 1/2 of a low carb tortilla shell, and so I plan on doing this. Just gonna break off little pieces, and then I'll mix it up. I'll show you. And that's how it looks. So I'll just take like a piece of this with a piece of this. Hang on. Piece of that, and that's how I'll eat it. So yeah, that's my breakfast this morning. Hey there, it is 3:15 and I'm eating lunch right now. It is 6 ounces of pork steak with the root vegetables, same stuff I had yesterday for supper, I think. But that is my lunch today. Hey there, supper tonight. 7 ounces of 80/20. Well, it's steak. It's ribeye. I just put 80/20 and that's how I plug it in. They're so technical on that app. It's like, 1/8 inch worth of fat, and like, heck if I know. So I just say it's 80/20 and just leave it at that. And then the root vegetables, that's what I'm having for supper. And then this is Topo Chico. Yesterday was Mineragua, just sparkling mineral water. And I added some grape flavor enhancer. If you really want to get wild, put just a little bit of heavy cream in there. And then it's like a grape float. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But I'm not tonight. So, supper tonight. It's got seasonings on it, but I'm still going to put just a little bit of salt on it. And that is my supper. 7 ounces of sirloin steak is what it was. I don't know what I said a while ago, but it's sirloin. 7 ounces sirloin, and I think that's 2 servings of the root veggies. I'll have it plugged in, and my carbs will be higher because of this, because it has sweet potatoes in it and beets, but yeah, whatever. It is what it is, but that's my supper. Have a good night. I forgot to tell you, I took the dogs for a walk. Again, it's nice weather out there, so I was like, I'll just take it for a walk. So we walk about, I think it's like 1.1 mile, 1.2 miles, something like that. But anyway, so we went for a walk today. Okay, bye. Here's my macros for the day.